Let's take a quick peek inside this booklet for the new Alberta Social Studies Grade 7 curriculum on the theme of citizenship. So as we go into the book, you'll notice, as is the case with all of my books, that it begins with a list of vocabulary. And I'll say again, that's not because students should define all of these words before beginning the unit. It exists as a list that you could utilize to build their capacity to write and to speak and to discuss the concepts that are being learned in this unit. So then we move into some of the learning materials. This is designed to take the place of a textbook. This curriculum is really different than our previous curriculum. And so this provides the learning material that students would read through. And then we've got some activities, some are questions, some are other style activities, to have them work through and work with the content that they've learned in the reading materials. And so you'll notice as we flip through the pages that there are differing activities for each segment. So it's not just a repetitive, we read, we answer questions, we read, we answer questions. Certainly there are questions to answer, but that's not all that we are asking students to do. We're asking them to connect ideas together, compare and contrast some things, bring their background knowledge to the foreground. We are asking them to write in paragraphs. So everything aligns with the new Alberta curriculum, and everything we are asking them to do are based on skills that students of this age would have. So again, we're into some more reading material, then some comprehension questions, and then again, some differing activities and ways and means for kids to work through this content. So this booklet is 103 pages long. We're going to just kind of skim through now, looking across the pages on the thumbnails on the left-hand side, and it covers all of the CUSP outcomes that are listed in this new Alberta curriculum. And when we get to the end of the learning and the activities, we've got a segment called Pick Your Project, and there are a variety of projects here. Students would pick one, whichever seems most interesting to them, and they would utilize this as a means of demonstrating to you how proficient they have become in these curricular outcomes. Finally, we finish off with a practice test. These questions are all multiple choice, and they are designed in a similar style to that of the provincial achievement tests, not because you are preparing your students for one such test in grade 7, but because the more practice a student gets in a particular skill set, the better they're going to be able to perform when it actually comes time to do such a test at the end of grade 9. Finally, we've got the answer key, and because this is a brand new curriculum, we've included some significant supports in the answer key. You'll notice we're on page 87 of 103. All of the remaining pages are teacher notes. So it's there to assist you in teaching, it's there to assist you in grading, and it's there to assist you when students answer a question a certain way to understand why they've maybe had the incorrect answer or why that is the correct answer, or to help you maybe navigate the bridge between those two things. So this is our grade 7 social studies for the new Alberta curriculum. This is the citizenship segment. It's no prep, ready to go, print and use for you. Take back your August this year. Here's what you need to begin teaching this in September.